Ke Sorkar Meghalaya kadang pynkhreh ban WANRAH ya kaan Pyrahsh ya ke Menshonoh Paul Lyngdoh advisor jong ke social welfare la pynpaw ba kane ke JINGTHMU kalong ban TEHLUTI ya ke jingjia jong ke jingthombor bat jingpynïap ya ke briew hadien bala kynnoh ya ki ki Menshonoh kane ke JINGNGEIT BIEJ kadang pensneu ya ke imlang kesalang bat ke WANRAH ya ki bymman ki bom don nongrim ha kajuk mynta ka jing WANRAH ya kani kaan ka dawa ya ka jingya puson ka bymman ha Hato ke Sorkar talak mo ban pyndam ya kini ki JINGNGEIT BIEJ balane slem tang dakaan kani kadai ka kam ka donkam ban penyadai Hapdeng ke redustor tenrai bat kaan Sorkar ban pencengan ya ki jing embryo.
We have demonstrated as a political leadership a keen interest to ensure that we reach out and maximize the protection of women's and child's rights. The fact that the last meeting chaired by the Honorable Chief Minister, which also saw a 4-hour deliberation with a lot of you also being present, that we on earth. There are people who make things happen. There are people who watch things happen. And there are people who don't know what's happening. Now, because today if we speak of the protection of the rights of women and children, I think we have gone way ahead and proactively engaged, not only in being seen in such discussions, but also taking a plan of action forward, actually on the ground, with the center, the counseling center at TEHLUTI. And today, we have more and more numbers of addicts turning up at the center in order to change the course of their lives and become useful citizens. During the intervening period since the last meeting, I'm happy to share with you that we go beyond discussions and talks. We go beyond being armchair critics. Trafficking were on the increase. It was the police department and more especially the ANTF that swung into action and covered areas and localities that have in the past many years not had the access by the law enforcing agencies. So these are instances which I'm sure should restore people's confidence in the system. And this is a system that needs each one of you to be stakeholders, participants, and also I'd like to reiterate what I've been saying in the past, that it takes so less energy to raise one finger and point at others. It takes more energy to bring two hands together. We are able to take the safety of our children and women to a higher level than what we have achieved so far. We've heard from both Madam Agatha and Madam Yaman's aim about the various challenges, a call on each one of us to proactively be part of the solution. If you're not part of the solution, you are part of the problem. We are here at JINGNGEIT, which was built by a Swiss couple in 1898, a year after the great earthquake of 1897. I'm sure it has taken faith, it has taken belief after a major act of destruction that also caused the loss of several lives. I think that is the spirit we must imbibe. Come out from the debris, march forward, and to build Meghalaya and take this state.
Kay ka jingmut ka jong phi. Hato kani ka de ka linti ka badai. Ban pyndam ya ka jingthombor. Pynpaw ila ki jingmut jong phi hala ki comments. Bat sobha ban ya share ya kani ka khubor. Ngin ya kendo biang la shai khub lai shibot.